To MES College, Maramballi, e-learning.
I am Harishankar, Assistant Professor, BOC Fashion Design and Management. Today here we are going to learn about how to cut jabla. Jabla is a kind of garment used for newborn babies. For making jabla, the required measurements are full length and the chest. Here the full length is 12 inch and the chest is 14 inch. Next, draw a straight line and mark the point X on the top. X to A is on fold. X to A is full length plus 1 inch for interns. Here the full length is 12 inch. 12 inch plus 1 inch is 13 inch. Mark the point A. Next, X to B. X to B is half chest measurement. Half chest measurement is 7 inch. A to F same as X to B. Mark the points B and F. Next, X to C, it's the armhole measurement. X to C is 1/4 chest plus half inch. It's 4 inch. Next, B to D. B to D is same as X to C. Mark the points. Mark the points C and D. Next, C to E, it's 1/4 chest plus 1 inch. It's 4.5 inch. Label E. Connect E to F with a straight line. Next, E to H is 1/12 chest plus half inch. It's 1.5 inch. Label H. M is the midpoint of E to D. It's 2.5. M is the midpoint of E to D. E to D is 1/4 inch. D to I is 1 inch. Mark the points. Join I, M, H with a smooth curve. Next, F to G is 1 inch. Join G to A with a smooth curve. For the neck wide, mark the point X to J. X to J is 1/4 chest plus 1 inch. It's 4.5 inch. For the front neckline, mark the point X to L. It's 1/12 chest plus half inch. It's
1.6 inches. Label the points. For the back neckline, X to K is 1 inch. Join J to L with a smooth curve. Mark the point K. Join J to L with a smooth curve for the front neckline. Mark the point J to K with a smooth curve for the back neckline.
Take another chart sheet and fold the sheet into 4 and mark the on-fold symbols here and trace the pattern. Trace the necklines. Cut the patterns. For the front neckline, open the fold and cut the front neckline marking. Mark the center front. And center back. Next, we can trace the pattern into fabric. For that, fold the fabric as per the required per pattern. Keep the on-fold here and on-fold here. Put the pattern. Trace the points. Make 1 inch bias piece for the neck casing. Here the body piece is ready here. The straight piece of 1 inch is for sleeve binding and the bias piece of 1 inch for the neck casing. Let's go to the stitching.